right, Rise and Sing by Fee. So key of G. So we got the intro, and you do it through the verses as well. The chorus, you're just either doing chords or you can do bar chords. Whatever you want to do for that, you just slam out in the chorus. So intro and verses, you're starting pointer on A10. And you can do either your pinky or your ring finger, depending how much you can reach on the G string. So you're going to be using the A string, the D string, and the G string. So I'll do it slower, and then I'll do it full speed. You're just dropping down to the 10th on the G string. Whoops, sorry. And then you go to the 10th fret on the D string, and then down to the 9th on the D string, back up to the 10th, and then here's you got like a little, you can either do it that way, you can either do here, slide up to A, back to G, or you can do the A down here. You can do it there or there, whatever's easier for you. So again, so you got first part, then you drop down to the D string, down to the 9th, back up to the 10th. Then you got your little walk up and walk down. And then it just repeats. You just keep repeating that. So full speed. And you just keep repeating that over and over again right through the verse. So once you get to the rise and sing, whoa, whoa. Once you get to those, that's on the E string, the high E string. So that starts on the 10th fret. 10, 7. So two ways you can do this. You can either slide down to the 3rd fret, or you can come up to the B string on the 8th fret. That's that G there, G note. So you can slide down, or it's probably easier just to go to the B string. Our God is risen. That you're at the chorus, and you can just bar chord or whatever you're gonna do. It's a B. So G over B, E minor, B, C, then it just repeats. Everybody rising, sing, and then you're at that. So for after the chorus, you do that same thing for the woes. Everybody rise and sing. You do that for like an interlude after the chorus. You just add more, just more alternating picking. That's pretty much it for Rise and Sing, I think. Yep.